It's sheet washing day, and I have to share this non-toxic laundry detergent that I found with you guys. This EnviroKlenz laundry detergent is fragrance-free, cruelty-free, safe for front-load washing machines, and septic safe, which is awesome. And if you have a high-efficiency washer like I do, you just need 1 scoop. I don't know about you guys, but one of the most important things for me when it comes to laundry is not having any synthetic fragrances. I just want a product that gets my clothing clean, and they come out smelling like absolutely nothing, which is exactly what this does. It's effective against pet odor, body odor, the new clothing smells, smoke. Yes, just get the smell out of my clothing, please. If you're looking for a clean and super effective laundry detergent, you have got to check this out. I can't believe how clean it got my bed sheets, and of course, they smell like nothing, which is exactly what I wanted. The EnviroKlenz laundry detergent is a 10 out of 10.